Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're on a weight loss journey or thinking about starting one, this video is for you. Today, we're diving into the 7 top weight loss mistakes that might be holding you back. These are common pitfalls, but don't worry. I'll show you how to avoid them and keep your progress on track. Let's get started. Our first mistake is relying on crash diets. You know the ones, those lose 10 pounds in a week plans. They promise quick results, but here's the catch. Most of that weight loss is water and muscle, not fat. Plus, they're unsustainable, leaving you feeling tired, hungry, and ready to give up. Instead of crash diets, focus on building healthy habits you can stick to for life. Aim for a balanced diet with plenty of whole foods like lean proteins, veggies, fruits, and healthy fats. Remember, slow and steady wins the race. Let's talk about mistake number 2, overestimating how many calories you burn during exercise. Have you ever crushed a workout and then thought, I earned this burger and fries? It's easy to fall into that trap, but here's the truth. Most workouts burn fewer calories than we think. For example, a 30-minute jog might burn 300 calories, but that's easily offset by a high-calorie snack. To avoid this mistake, use exercise to build strength and endurance, not as an excuse to overeat. And pair your workouts with mindful eating for the best results. Mistake number 3 is skipping meals or eating too little. It might sound logical, fewer calories equal more weight loss, right? Wrong. Eating too little can slow down your metabolism, making it harder to lose weight in the long run. Instead, fuel your body with regular, nutrient-dense meals. Aim for 3 balanced meals a day with healthy snacks in between if you need them. Keeping your body nourished will help you burn fat more effectively. Now, I know how overwhelming a weight loss journey can feel. I've been there too, wondering if I'll ever find something that truly supports my efforts. That's why I'm so excited to share Lean Bliss with you. It's not just another product, it's a game changer that works hand in hand with your healthy habits to help you feel confident, energized, and unstoppable. If you're ready to take the next step in your journey, check out the link in the description below. You deserve to feel amazing. Mistake number 4, ignoring strength training. Many people think cardio is the key to weight loss, but strength training is just as important. Building muscle boosts your metabolism, helping you burn more calories even when you're resting. Tip to avoid. If you're new to strength training, start with bodyweight exercises like squats, push-ups, or planks. As you get stronger, you can add weights to your routine. Trust me, your future self will thank you. Next up, mistake number 5, relying too much on so-called healthy processed foods. Protein bars, low-fat snacks, and diet sodas might seem like good choices, but many are packed with added sugars, unhealthy fats, and artificial ingredients. Always check the labels and prioritize whole, unprocessed foods. If you're craving something sweet, go for a piece of fruit instead of a sugar-laden health bar. Your body will thank you. Mistake number 6 is one we don't talk about enough. Not prioritizing sleep and stress management. Poor sleep and high stress can wreak havoc on your hormones, making it harder to lose weight. To fix this, aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night and find ways to manage stress. Whether it's yoga, meditation, or simply taking a walk outside, finding time to relax can make a huge difference in your weight loss journey. And finally, mistake number 7, not drinking enough water. Staying hydrated is essential for overall health, and it can also help with weight loss by keeping you feeling full and energized. Aim for at least 8 to 10 cups of water a day or more if you're active. If plain water feels boring, add a slice of lemon or cucumber for a refreshing twist. So there you have it, the 7 top weight loss mistakes and how to avoid them. Let's quickly recap. Number 1, don't rely on crash diets. Number 2, be realistic about calorie burn from exercise. Number 3, avoid skipping meals or eating too little. Number 4, include strength training in your routine. Number 5, watch out for healthy processed foods. Number 6, prioritize sleep and manage stress. Number 7, stay hydrated. Remember, weight loss isn't about perfection, it's about progress. Focus on building sustainable habits and the results will follow. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any future tips. And don't forget to check out the product link given in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.